Hey mamas, in today's video you'll see me install this gorgeous bye-bye knots unit from Nadula. They went ahead and sent me in the 7x5 lace closure wig unit. It is in 24 inches and it is in body wave, of course. So I went ahead and did my super easy effortless beach waves, and we have here a glueless installed wig. So I did this in under 30 minutes, and their bye-bye knots units are absolutely to die for. So bye-bye knots is pretty much defeating any other wig by storm. When it comes to their pricing with the bye-bye knots units, it eats. Imagine someone selling you this wig for $400, overpricing and upselling this unit when Nadula sells it for only $200. And the knots, the lace is absolutely everything. It has such incredible technology. The band in the back is amazing. The wig is nice and snug, so it gives that glueless effect, and I can literally take this wig off and put it on whenever I feel like. But I do talk about it more in the review portion at the end of the install. So if you'd like to hear more about what this offers, if you are a beginner, if you are looking to see what this hype is about the Nadula bye-bye knots units, definitely don't forget to go ahead and check out the end of this video. And enough rambling from me, this unit is absolutely gorgeous. So let me just go ahead and give you the rundown and show you guys how I installed this gorgeous bye-bye knots unit from Nadula, and the links as always will be in the description box. Let's jump into today's tutorial.
Just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. I think that not just chemicals inside my brain. 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 I think there's
so I am back, and this gorgeous wig is from Nadula Hair. Let me just come a little closer to show you guys. This is absolutely unreal. Okay, let's just speak about the bye-bye knots. So If you fall under any of these categories, this wig is going to be absolutely perfect for you. So say you are a beginner, say you're intermediate, say you are advanced. This wig comes pre-plucked, pre-parted, and the parting space is super wide with a deep side part ability, so you can twist the wig and do the side part, or you can just simply do the side part because the lace stops right here, and you are able to get that nice deep flat side part without the wig feeling funny or anything of that sort. I am loving the deep 5-inch part going on here. It's giving hyper realistic, and because these knots are pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it is a pre-parted unit, you do not have to lift too much of a finger. I completed this tutorial in under 30 minutes, including my curl time, and I am absolutely stoked at my results. So if you are looking for something glueless, easy to take off, easy to put on, and it is super duper beginner friendly, girl, you could do this with your eyes closed, advanced, or just a regular avid wig wearer, you will be absolutely fine, and this is the perfect wig for you. So Nadula does it best because this unit is for under $200. You can get this gorgeous, very full, very bouncy, very lustrous and shiny unit for under $290. Meanwhile, their competitors are selling this unit at around $400, $500. And when you're comparing any regular wig unit to a Bye Knots wig unit, especially from Nadula, it stands absolutely no chance because their quality is just top of the line. I'm gonna come back up. Like, can you guys see this? This lace is melted. So if you'd like to get your hands on one of these units, don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box. So far so good. It gives a 10 out of 10. So don't forget to shop this Bye Knots unit from Nadula, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.
Nadula.